Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that promises to make your cleaning routine a whole lot easier, the Fdit Robot Vacuum Cleaner. We found this innovative little device online and have included a link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. The Fdit Robot Vacuum is a versatile cleaning solution designed to sweep, vacuum, and mop your floors all in one go. With its powerful 1200 Pascal suction, this compact machine effectively removes dust, hair, and debris, keeping your living space clean and tidy with minimal effort on your part. One of the standout features of the Fdit Robot Vacuum is its 3-in-1 cleaning system. This means you can seamlessly transition from sweeping to vacuuming to mopping, all with one device. The extended bilateral brushes provide wider coverage, ensuring that no corner is left untouched. This efficiency is especially beneficial for busy households or anyone who wants to maximize their cleaning time. Another impressive aspect of this robot vacuum is its intelligent navigation system. With its smart obstacle detection technology, it can easily climb over right-angle obstacles and navigate under furniture. Its compact size, measuring just 12 by 11.8 by 1.6 inches, makes it perfect for maneuvering around tight spaces, allowing it to reach areas where traditional vacuums may struggle. When it comes to runtime, the Fdit Robot Vacuum doesn't disappoint. It boasts a robust 2000 mAh lithium battery that provides up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Plus, recharging is a breeze with the convenient USB cable, taking only 3 to 4 hours for a full charge, so it's ready to tackle your cleaning tasks without much downtime. For added convenience, the Fdit comes with a 2.4G remote control that has a range of 131 feet. This means you can easily operate the vacuum from across the room, allowing you to set it going without having to move around too much. The 360 milliliters dust box capacity ensures that you won't need to empty it after every use, which is particularly useful in larger spaces. So, who is this product suitable for? The Fdit Robot Vacuum is perfect for busy professionals, parents, or anyone who values their time and wants a reliable cleaning assistant. It's also a great choice for pet owners, as its strong suction can efficiently pick up pet hair and dander, keeping your home fresh and clean. In practical use, imagine coming home after a long day to find your floors spotless, thanks to your Fdit Robot Vacuum. You can set it to clean while you're out, or simply control it with the remote while you relax on the couch.